Alright, so it is Saturday, January 12th, 2019. And thanks to Geo or RheemProductionS, we got this Tempstar Observer logo in the mail today. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up. And TM Branch is going to cut it with his knife. Oh, alright, there we go. There's. Alright, so here it is right here. It's packaged up pretty good. So TM Branch is gonna. You want me to use this thing?
Dang.
Yeah, he packaged this thing up really good.
That kid really packaged. Oh man. What is this?
Alright, I get this.
Wow.
There it is.
Nerve.
It's pretty nice. It's got a nice back on it. Nice and shiny. Yeah, thanks, man. I like this thing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stick this right here. Prop it up on that lunchbox thing. So, yeah. Thanks, Gio. Looks really nice.